parsnip. Here's kale chewing on my shoe. Running away. There's arugula on the left. Eggplant on the right. Well, now on the floor. And okra. There's okra. Poop. Kitties. They don't care about me. Only you do. Hey, buddy. Hey, parsnip. I know. You're a big biter. Arr. That tastes good to you? Yeah. Thanks. Oh my gosh. Thanks. Eggplant took face plant. Did you? You okay? Yeah, sweetheart? Oh, kittens. Who couldn't sit here and watch these things all day? These crazies. You crazies. Crazies. Hey, Miss Iggy. Oh. Miss Arugula. Roogie, Roogie, Roogie. Hi. Look at your little white hairs that are coming out. You're gonna look so neat when you grow up. Hey? That's my ring. My ring. Pretty girl. Okay, run over. You get her. Big meanie she is, eh? Really? That part of me needed cleaning at that very second? Thank you, Rudy. Very nice of you. Parsnip and eggplant and kale and okra and little Miss Arugula here. Hey, Fluffball. Someone is licking my behind. What are you doing back there? Oh, it's you, Miss Eggplant. What do you think you're doing?